Question 5. An equilateral triangle has side length 8 units. What is the area? So I'm going to draw my famous equilateral triangle here. Perfect, right? Yep, thought so. All right, now I'm going to draw in this altitude because in order to find the area, I also need to know, in addition to knowing the base of the triangle, I also need to know the height of the triangle, because remember, the area of the triangle is equal to base times height divided by 2, or if you want to think about it as 1/2 times the base times the height. Either one of those two will get you the same answer. So we know that the altitude has to be perpendicular to the base. So we have the height and we have the base, and they're perpendicular. If the equilateral triangle has a side length of 8 units, then that means that this distance right here is 4. And the only reason that we need to know that length is to get the height of the triangle, which would be 4 square root of 3. But the base of the triangle is not this part right here, it's this whole piece right here. So the base of the triangle is still 8. So we have the area is equal to base times height divided by 2. So I can only multiply the 8 and the 4, just like I can't multiply the 4 times the 3 because this isn't really the number 3, it's some weird decimal. So we do 32 square roots of 3 divided by 2, and that gives us 32 divided by 2 is 16 square roots of 3. So the area is this value right here. And even if we did it this way, we would get the same thing. 1/2 times the base, which is 8, times the height, which is 4 radical 3. So half of 8 is 4. So 4 times 4 radical 3 is 16 radical 3. So either way you work it, you get the same thing.